So I will allow you to introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Victoria Craig and I work for the BBC World Service.
And how long have you worked for them?
Just since August.
Okay, and you've come to visit us today.
Yes.
And obviously this is got to be one of the smallest distilleries in the UK. What were your first thoughts walking in?
Oh, it's very small, very quaint, but really interesting. It's such a fascinating story behind it. I can't wait to share it with our listeners.
Brilliant. And you've enjoyed our gin?
Yes, I have.
You were forced.
I was forced.
She really wasn't forced. That's a complete lie. And what do you think of our new still? Our new biggie?
Oh, it's huge. I mean, compared to the small ones over here that you said you got from New Zealand, right?
Yeah.
I think you're ready for to ramp up production. I think you've got the right tool.
And I'll tell you something funny we didn't cover in our interview. By law, it is a legal requirement, I kid you not, the stills that we've got, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stills, and then we've got the big still. By law, we have to number them or name them. That's absolutely true.
So what have you named it?
We haven't called them any names. We've been so rubbish. No one could agree. We all end up arguing.
Nobody can decide on names.
No one can decide on names.
It's like naming kids, right?
Sorry?
It's like naming kids.
It's
right?
just an absolute nightmare. So we've run social media campaigns, and then it just gets even more confusing.
Then you've got too many choices.
You've got too many choices. Yeah, it becomes more confusing. So any names that you can think of off the top.
I'll send them your way.
Okay.
I don't know. I keep thinking of like the Three Stooges, but you've got 5 here, so I don't think that'll work either.
Okay. We can have the Three Stooges and 2 imposters.
There you go.
Imposter number 1. Thank you ever so much for coming in to visit us.
Thank you.
Thank you.